Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through the process of writing your application letter using Google Bard. So let us get started. First, open your browser and type in bard.google.com. Remember to log in first to access all the features. Once you are in, click on a new chat to create a conversation with Bard. Before Bard can craft an application letter for you, it needs to know who it is writing for. So, introduce yourself and share your educational background, including the degrees you have obtained. Describe your previous employment and career history, and feel free to mention any specific achievements or certificates you have earned. The more details you provide about your professional background, accomplishments, and skills, the better the AI will be able to produce an attractive application letter for you. Once you have introduced yourself and Bard has learned more about you, you can request it to create an application letter based on the job description you have provided. With Google Bard, crafting a compelling application letter becomes a breeze, and you can impress potential employers with a tailored and persuasive document. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.